Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the unarc or isdone.dll error when you try to install games or software. So let's get started. Like a brief description for you, the isdone.dynamic link library and unarc dynamic link library error in Windows 10 or 11 is mostly related to the installation of PC game as well as program of large size. Large games or program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. So if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So in order to get rid this error, you can try to increase Windows page file or virtual memory. So you can press Windows R button on your keyboard to open Run command box, and you can type sysdm-cpl to open System Properties Windows. Let's start by hold Windows key and R key, and you can type sysdm.cpl, click OK. Here you can click Advanced, Performance Settings, again click Advanced, and change virtual memory here. Untick this box. Click custom size and you can fill this initial size and maximum size. So a 2.5 GB is enough. For most cases 400 and 3000. So not the values are in megabytes, so this is set maximum paging files to the tune of 3 GB. So my recommendation is 2.6 GB, and currently my system allocated 2.1 GB. Feel free to try to increase your virtual memory. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.